Hi, I'm a photographer on birds. I really like to take pictures of birds. Birds are an amazing animal, and they always seem to locate their nest, and they don't even know where it is. There's a parent right here on the See, there he goes. He went off into trees. I also take pictures of butterflies, bees, and lizards. And if you go on Baby Birds, I have a video there too about a baby redbird. Right now I'm just looking for anything that you might not have seen before. There goes a hawk. Chalks are very hard to see. Those birds here, those are mommy parents. They're contacting an alarm system to tell all the other birds that there is danger near. If you don't, I don't know if you can see, but there's birds. Oh, here's some creature that you might not get a clue. Some people think they're me. It's a bumblebee. Now they help save the earth. So I'm just going to get this guy to fly with a flower. Come on, little guy. See? He's not going to hurt you. Watch. And he just flies off, not bothering anyone. If any of you have questions about birds or other Pacific animals, go to comments down below. And if you like this video on birds and other animals, you can even hit the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, you can hit thumbs down. This is David saying goodbye, YouTube.